This auto darkening welding lens will work for MIG, TIG, or arc welding. It will fit all welding hoods with the 4¼ inch space for this. And it's only 0.2 inches thin, almost 1/4 inch. It has a solar panel on it, so it will recharge its own battery, giving you years and years of service. The auto darkening feature will occur 1/25,000th of a second, so basically instantly. Here's a demonstration. You can see a pair of scissors, but as soon as the light hits it, it darkens the screen. And it doesn't go completely black because obviously you need to see what you're welding, but it does happen that fast. It also has a blue background lens. This will reduce eye strain from blue light. It has a fun color pattern on it, and this is UV protected because when you're dealing with welding, it will throw a lot of harmful light and it could damage some of the paint, make it fade and do other nasty stuff, but this is certainly protected from that. It also comes with this clear plastic shield which will fit over it, and it can get beat up from things hitting it, and it will protect the item and make it last as long as possible. This welding lens will give you optimal protection and let you focus on staying productive.